Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have one genuine Makita battery and one review battery. Let's see the difference. Uh-oh, it's really neat. In the video, I will show you the full safe guide to repair this battery. Try it out and let me know.
Bruh.
Loose weld, no insulation on the positive terminals. It's really dangerous. Can you see the difference? Let's review the battery. Okay, first of all, I'm going to take the circuit board out. Check whether the battery is still good or completely dead. Oh, no voltage. They're completely dead. Now, let's replace on the battery cells. I'll build a safe and reliable battery pack. Keep watching to see how it all comes together. I'm using high-grade battery cells for this build. If you're not sure which battery cells are right for your needs, check out video linked in the top corner. We use this holder to balance the battery. Oh, be careful not to short the battery terminals. Okay, look at that. It's really dangerous. Watch this video to learn how unbalanced battery cells can affect the performance and lifespan of an entire battery pack. Apply insulating paper to the positive terminals. I think it's better to keep safe. Wrap heat-resistant tape around the positive terminal. Place insulating paper between the rows of battery cells. Mark the positive and negative terminals of the battery pack. Nickel strip. Why am I doing this? And here's why. Now let's spot weld the battery pack. So let's enjoy. Now let's secure the battery pack. What do you think of this guide? Let me know your opinion in the comments. Rebuilding a fake Makita battery. Building a battery pack for an impact wrench. And even battery parts for Wi-Fi networking equipment. I review battery parts for all kinds of power tools. Be sure to check out the rest of the video in my channel. I'm going to check the battery with the charger. Does it work? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.